Oh, hey everybody, it's Amber Fauble here with Jay Dacey. We're inviting you to this week's Agent Mastermind training. Hey Jay, what are you focusing on?
The steaks at Birch, they look amazing.
Oh, wow. And is that going to help grow your business?
Probably not.
When it comes to your real estate business, figuring out what to focus on can sometimes be a difficult task. What skills do you need to master in order to have success and be happy with the results?
In general, we find that there are 6 core skills that you need to focus on and master in order to be successful in real estate. And most of us know there are certain times that we must do things on a regular basis to get the business. But sometimes things fall short, and there's usually a bottleneck somewhere in the process, and implementing strategies to get over that is imperative for your future success.
Yeah, these skills will help you focus in on your strengths and your weaknesses and help you change the way that you do business. We're going to cover lead generation, database management, prospecting, presentation, follow-up, and handling objections.
It sounds simple, right? So you'd be surprised with how deep you can actually go in these 6 areas and in turn have a profound impact on your business. So join us for Agent Mastermind class next Tuesday, April 1st at 11 a.m. and we hope to see you there.
P.S. The last 2 classes were a great series on referrals. If you missed them and would like to see the replays, please let me know and I'll send them over your way.
Next Tuesday is April 1st. It's April Fool's Day. Hey, if you want a great April Fool's prank to pull on your friends or clients, give me a call, 651-210-9593, and I'll share that prank that I played. I actually got somebody on the same prank 3 years in a row, so you're going to want to give me a call and I'll fill you in on that. So 651-210-9593. Hope to hear from you soon.
Bye.